Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. In a historic moment for Arunachal Pradesh, Chief Minister Pema Khandu today chaired a historic cabinet meeting under Cabinet Aapke Dwar initiative at Kikohu. Here we are bringing you the full details. CM Pema Khandu chairs cabinet meet at Kibito. Cabinet Aapke Dwar reaches border village. Focus on grievances, development and service delivery. Kibito borders China and Myanmar strategically. Yes, viewers, in a landmark moment for Arunachal Pradesh, Chief Minister Pema Khandu today chaired a historic cabinet sitting under the Cabinet Aapke Dwar initiative at Kibito, India's easternmost village situated in the strategically significant Anjan district. Kibito, referred to as the first village of India, lies at the confluence of two international borders, China and Myanmar, underscoring the symbolic and strategic importance of the location for this first of its kind cabinet meeting. Chief Minister Pema Khandu, joined by cabinet minister and senior officials, reiterated his government's strong commitment to decentralized governments and last mile service delivery. The meeting focused on listening to local grievances, revenue, development projects and ensuring administrative visibility in one of the most remote and sensitive border districts of the state. Holding the cabinet meeting in Kibito is not just symbolic, it sends a strong message that governance must reach every citizen no matter how remote. CM Khandu stated, the Cabinet Aapke Dwar initiative is designed to take the government to the doorstep of the people, particularly in border and remote areas, ensuring that the benefits of governance are inclusive, accessible and timely. The cabinet meeting also follows the cabinet's Tiranga Yatra in Wallong, which showcased patriotic unity and paid tribute to soldiers who laid down their lives during the 1969 war. Yes, viewers, in an unprecedented move, Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu today led a full cabinet meeting in Kibito, the nation's easternmost village nestled within the strategically vital Anjan district. This significant marks a milestone for the Cabinet Aapke Dwar initiative, bringing governance directly to the remote border region. Kibito, often hailed as India's first village, holds immense significance due to its unique location at the confluence of the Chinese and Myanmar borders. The decision to convene the cabinet here underscores the government's focus on addressing the needs of its most remote citizens and reinforcing administrative presence in a sensitive border area. Chief Minister Pema Khandu, alongside his cabinet colleagues and senior officials, emphasized the government's unwavering dedication to decentralized governments and ensuring the essential service reach every corner of the state. The meeting served as a platform to address local grievances, assess ongoing development projects and foster a direct connection between the government and the people of Kibito. Holding this cabinet meeting in Kibito is not just symbolic, it sends a strong message that governance must reach every citizen no matter how remote, stated CM Pema Khandu, highlighting the core principle of the Cabinet Aapke Dwar initiative. This initiative aims to bridge the gap between the government and its citizens, particularly in border and remote regions, ensuring inclusive accessibility and timely delivery of government services. The Kibito meeting followed Chief Minister Khandu's recent Tiranga Yatra in Wallong, a poignant event that showcased national unity and paid homage of the soldiers and made the ultimate sacrifice during the 1962 Sino-Indian War. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NE.